If you're looking to learn how to get a day pass, I'll show you on Travel Tricks. Before we get started, thank you for watching this video. I hope you will subscribe to this channel as I continue to share information to make your vacation better. Visiting Vancouver, there are two choices, a Compass card or a day pass. A Compass card, you pay a fee that is refundable for the card. Pay a balance. Once the money is used up, you top up the card. Or get a day pass, giving you unlimited usage for that day from all three fare zones. For multiple trips, the day pass is a money saver. If you have children 12 and under, 4 children can ride when accompanied with 1 paying adult. To get a day pass, you can go to any SkyTrain station and visit a TransLink ticket machine. From here, you pick single or multiple tickets. In this case, you click for a single ticket. On the left side of the screen, under Adult, you have the choice of a single ticket or a day pass. You click Day Pass. If you're paying by a Canadian debit card, click Debit Card. If you're paying by a credit card, click Credit Card. And if it's cash, start putting in Canadian currency. In this case, we will use Canadian dollars. Grab your change and your new day pass. Now, you can enjoy the perks of a day pass and enjoy unlimited traveling all over Vancouver or Greater Vancouver. If you want to ride the SkyTrain or SeaBus, check out these videos. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you will subscribe to my channel, Travel Tricks, as I try to help you make the next vacation the best one. Thank you.